So Danielle, give me commentary. I'm doing a video. What did you find up there?
You're doing a video. Well, it's a very sinuous passage, and it goes through almost marble limestone. It's really concentrated. It's heavy-duty stuff, but we can't see the coloration because of the moss on the side. But it goes up quite a ways to a giant pool with clear water. And I could reach up and kind of peek over the edge, but I couldn't get up. Water was up to my waist.
Wow.
A lot of it. Quite fun. Well, the hard part will be getting out.
No problem.
Oh, you hear that? No problem.
No problem, yes.
Why don't you close your rubber ducky very well?
Huh?
Wrap your rubber ducky before you attempt to this climb.
Yeah.
Let me see how this is. Movies do take up a lot of memory in your camera.
I normally don't do this. They're so slippery.
Coming apart below and all the motors are slipping away. Okay, so that's where we make our big step, huh? Somewhere here. Put a toe hold. I got a big toe. Whoa. No problem. You hear the video? No problem.
You're 6 inches, 7 inches higher than I am.
Okay. I could take the camera if you want.
Yes, why don't you? That's why it's so much safer.
Yes, I agree.
I don't need 2 dead cameras.
Oh, okay. Okay, so there's some good handholds up high here.
Ooh, that's a slippery.
There you go.
No problem.
No, thank you. No problem.
Actually,